To create a custom mug paper template in Affinity Photo for any custom mug papers that we may have, open the software and start a new document. The page width should be 210mm and the page height should be set to the custom mug paper that you've purchased. In our case, it's the 99mm Ink Expert style paper. Click Create and we'll be presented with a mug size template. We can fill this with our artwork and then go to print. Change your printer properties and your document size to match the custom mug paper that you've got. You can see our guide on creating a user-defined document size for the printer in our YouTube channel. With that done, we set our paper type and quality to match the paper that we have. Any more options, select Custom and Advanced and no colour adjustment. Mirror your image and select OK. Our ICC can be selected from the drop-down menu here. In this case, I'm using the ET8550 ceramic style profile. With that selected, we can click OK and go through to printing.